Welcome back to Crypto On-Chain, your go-to source for in-depth updates on the latest market moves, institutional activity, and regulatory developments shaping the world of digital assets. Today, we're diving into Bitcoin's notable volatility, as prices face retracements amid heavy institutional flows, whale activity, and global discussions that continue to shape investor sentiment. Market overview and price actions. Bitcoin has seen a sharp sell-off recently, dipping toward the $110,000 level, with some traders preparing for a possible retest around $100,000 as a critical support zone. Despite these short-term pullbacks, technical indicators suggest that BTC could soon recover back into its average trading ranges, especially as altcoins continue to mirror the overall trend. Over the past 24 hours, Bitcoin's drop below $112,000 triggered a wave of leveraged long liquidations, underscoring just how fast corrections can shake out traders. Whale activity played a major role here. While some large holders sold off positions aggressively, causing steep price drops, others used the volatility to lock in big profits. The result is a split market, with some investors accumulating more Bitcoin during dips and others adopting a cautious wait-and-see approach. Institutional activity and investments. Institutional moves remain a huge driver of sentiment. Michael Saylor's firm's strategy has once again expanded its BTC treasury, purchasing more than 3,600 Bitcoin in August, reinforcing confidence from long-term Bitcoin-focused investors. Similarly, Metaplanet increased its holdings by over $11 million, further signaling trust in Bitcoin's long-term role. On the other side, some big names are rebalancing. BlackRock and Cathie Wood's ARK Invest have trimmed parts of their Bitcoin exposure, creating additional selling pressure. Crypto ETFs have also recorded outflows surpassing $1.4 billion since March, showing that investor caution is very much in play. Still, strong demand for spot Bitcoin ETFs continues to provide an underlying bullish foundation that could support prices in the medium term. Regulatory and market developments. Regulation continues to shape Bitcoin's future. All eyes are on the ongoing discussions surrounding Bitcoin spot ETF approvals in the US and abroad. Meanwhile, central bank digital currencies are gaining traction in multiple countries, raising concerns about potential government overreach into financial privacy. Ironically, this narrative strengthens Bitcoin's position as a decentralized and censorship-resistant alternative. Even governments are beginning to acknowledge Bitcoin's importance. Lawmakers in the Philippines have introduced proposals to create national Bitcoin reserves, underscoring the asset's role in global finance and its growing integration into traditional frameworks. Expert opinions and predictions. As always, Bitcoin experts remain divided. Michael Saylor projects that Bitcoin could maintain an average annual growth of around 30% for the next 2 decades, highlighting his ultra-bullish long-term stance. On the flip side, some traders caution about near-term risks, pointing to macroeconomics uncertainty, global liquidity conditions, and speculative market behavior. Adding to the bullish camp, Eric Trump recently voiced his expectation that Bitcoin could surge toward $175,000, reflecting the optimism fueled by institutional support, strong community belief, and adoption trends worldwide. Security and market integrity beyond price action. Security concerns remain part of the broader conversation. Market surveillance has detected suspicious trades tied to funds from recent hacks and cybercrime activity, raising questions about illicit flows and manipulation. Regulators continue to respond with tighter oversight and calls for stronger security. Protocols to maintain market integrity. Summary and outlook. In summary, Bitcoin today is being shaped by a combination of institutional accumulation, whale-driven volatility, and evolving regulations. While short-term turbulence has spooked some investors, the underlying narrative of long-term adoption and global integration remains strong. The path forward will depend heavily on ETF approvals, regulatory clarity, and how global institutions choose to engage with Bitcoin as both a store of value and an alternative financial system. Outro that wraps up today's Bitcoin market update from Crypto On-Chain. As always, stay alert to new developments in the ETF space, regulatory updates across global markets, and institutional moves that could set the stage for Bitcoin's next big rally. Don't forget to subscribe to Crypto On-Chain for more deep dive analysis, daily updates, and the latest insights from the world of crypto.